In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix an issue if you keep getting messages on Telegram that this Telegram group or channel can't be displayed. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you got the same problem, that's because your Telegram has a sensitive content filter turned on, and unfortunately you can't turn it off in your app. So you have to open up any web browser. I'm gonna use Safari, and then just go to webogram.org. That's official Telegram website, and first off you have to log into your account. So first off, enter your country, then type in your phone number, hit on next, then enter a verification code, and then type in your password. After that, just hit on next and you will be logged in. And now all you have to do is hit right here at 3 lines, then get into settings, then scroll down until you find privacy and security, and then scroll down to the very bottom where you can find this disable filtering setting. All you have to do now is just check mark it to enable, and from now on you will not get any messages that some types of content cannot be displayed on Telegram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.